Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Eunice. I am a registered nurse and also the owner of Florida Training Academy, where we train some of Florida's best CNAs and healthcare professionals. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change an occupied bed. All right, without further ado, let's begin. All right, so now I have gathered my supplies. I've already washed my hands, I've gloved, I've provided privacy, and I've explained to the resident what skill I'm going to be performing. The resident's sitting upright, so I need to lower the head of the bed. I'm going to reposition the patient. And cover him quickly or briefly. We don't want to overexpose. Right, Mr. Lucas, are you okay? I'm going to keep the pillow on the bed just for comfort, but if the pillow obviously had any mucus or any vomitus on the pillow, I will go ahead and remove that now. I'm now going to begin rolling in my dirty bottom sheet or my dirty fitted sheet. If the mattress was contaminated with some type of body fluids or excretions, I will go ahead and clean the mattress with soap and water, and then I would dry the mattress. I could also use a clean, dry towel as a barrier, and that's going to prevent my new sheet from being contaminated with whatever remains on the bed. Mr. Lucas, are you doing okay? Mr. Lucas, I'm going to lay you back on your back. Now I'm going to make my way to the other side of the bed. I now have the top sheet on top of the resident for comfort and for warmth and also for privacy. I'm going to reposition the resident by bringing him closer to me. All right, so now that I have Mr. Lucas on his side, I still have the blanket or the sheet there for comfort, for warmth, and for privacy. Mr. Lucas is now more so on the clean linens, and I have the dirty linens toward me. Do not pull anything towards your uniform. You don't want to become contaminated. So I'm going to go to the bottom of the bed and then roll my dirty linen away from me. Take my dirty linen to the laundry basket. Mr. Lucas, are you still doing okay? All right, we're almost done. I will now unfold my top sheet. Utilizing the tent technique, I will bring up the clean as I take away the dirty linens. Smooth out any wrinkles. Repeat the process on the other side. Tuck the top sheet at the foot of the bed only. Ask your resident to wiggle his or her toes. If they can't, you want to go ahead and release some of the tension. Now that you have the sheet tucked under the bottom of the mattress, you now want to make your mitered corners. To make a mitered corner, I just simply bring up one layer of the material, tuck the second layer, and then bring the top layer back down. So repeat after me. Up, tuck, down. You have your V. I'll do the same on the other side. Up, tuck, down. For the last step of the process, we simply have to change the pillowcase. All right, I'll go ahead and ask my resident to raise his or her head. If they cannot raise their head, then I will of course assist them. Pull the pillowcase off. And just scrunch this down. My recommendation is that you scrunch the pillowcase down until you can see the internal seam. So seam of the pillowcase towards the seam of the pillow that has the tag. I would prefer that you not have the tag sticking out of your pillowcase because the tag could actually scratch your resident's neck. Okay, Mr. Lucas, you can raise your head for me. Mr. Lucas, here's your call bell. Is there anything else I can do for you right now? Would you like the head of your bed lifted? All right, I'll see you during my next round. So once you've completed the skill, please give your resident the call bell. Ask him or her if there's anything else that they need. You can then remove your gloves, wash your hands, make sure you open the curtain back up, and then do a quick scan of your room, making sure that you've done everything, that the side rails are up if your bed had side rails. If you raise the level of the bed, make sure you lower it down at the completion of your skill. And once everything is done, you can then exit your room and then go and see your next resident. All right, everybody. My name is Eunice Mathis. I am the owner of Florida Training Academy. Our website is www.flasinfloridatraining.com. We're one of the #1 places for you to go for your CNA education and also for all of your American Heart Association education. All right, again, everybody, have a great day and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.